3 ways to use e-signing on TaxDome. Electronic signatures allows your clients to sign important documents, such as proposals or payment agreements, from their phones or computers, saving time for everyone. These signatures are legally binding, just like handwritten ones, and you can even request signatures from multiple people, including firm members, on the same document. I'll show you 3 ways to use e-signatures on TaxDome. First, you can request clients to e-sign completed documents and forms. This method is especially useful for official government forms, and you can select the users from which the signature is needed, and also specify the places where they are required to sign. There are different types of signature fields. For example, you can add date, free text boxes, or include either your own e-signature or those of your team. After the client signs, you'll be notified via email and Inbox Plus, and the signed document will be stored in the client's account profile for download. Let's now cover our second option, requesting clients to e-sign an agreement with your firm. This option is perfect for proposals or engagement letters. An e-signature request and agreement to terms are automatically included in the proposal you send to clients, and the signature location will always be at the bottom of the page. You'll be notified once the proposal is signed, and the completed document will be visible in the client's account profile, showing the signature, date, and time. Finally, let's explore our third option, requesting clients to e-sign an agreement that includes regular payments to your firm. For this, you'll need to create a recurring invoice with automatic payment authorization. Same as the previous example, a signature request and agreement to terms are automatically included. Once the signature is added, you'll be notified, and the client's card or bank account will be charged according to the schedule outlined in the invoice. With these 3 approaches, e-signatures on TaxDome simplify and speed up the process of getting important documents signed, making it easier for you and your clients to manage agreements.